The small table can be placed anywhere imaginable, nicely decorated with plants, pictures, sculptures. In the kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, anywhere you want to present your items. You're looking for a piece of furniture, easy to build, lightweight. Check online for further details about your product. We're going to show you how this comes packaged. I'm going to open it up, lay it out for you. It should not be hard to follow along. You have a nice little work table, protected by paper, and you have your screws all laid out. It is a white night table. We're going to lay all the pieces out on the table. Installations and instruction guide of everything laid out. And you're going to need just a screwdriver. It could be a manual or cordless, and we get started. Lay the two long pieces into two short pieces like so. Simply grab and overlap, slide in. You have two boards. One goes here on the bottom base. Lay over and simply push in. Then you have two pieces like so, and they're going to lock into the sides like so. A little pressure. And then we take the next board and we go to the next level and lock in. And of course, the last board in the center over here. This is your top board that's going to be last. All you need to do is take this board, lift it up, match it over all the holes, and press down. You're going to start at one area and start to place in. You're going to have enough and maybe leftovers for the other side. Very carefully sink down. Tilt, put the hand on the bottom in the middle and turn over. And add the rest of the screws into the holes. And lock down. When you're finished locking all the screws down on both sides, you're then going to center it and level it upright and take the cover and place the best face forward on top, secure down with the last two screws having three left over as spare. Place away, and you have your newspaper, bookshelf, nightstand, whatever you like to call it. You can place this in the corner, place it by your bed, place it by your kitchen, place it by the living room, anywhere imaginable. If you're looking for a small table that you want to decorate your corner, your kitchen, your bathroom, anywhere imaginable, check online for further detail about your products and the makes and models they come in for your needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.